Here I have Nokia 5.3 and today I'm going to show you how to switch silent mode on this device. So if you want to enable silent mode, you can just hold the volume down button and make it like this, but you can actually, when you have this volume menu opened, you can tap here and switch modes. Here you have the vibration mode, and now I have silent mode. Now I have loud mode, again vibration, and silent mode. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.